Hello everyone, it's Amy and welcome back for another Market Monday. Today we have a kit from the Craft Outlet. So in this kit there are 15 items and we have these little Fab Scrap Frames, and this one is square with a square hole in the middle, and it has the little eyelets on the side and kind of has a white woven, maybe like a paper on here. So, and then we have round ones again with the white woven paper on there, and with the little eyelets, and again they have the little holes in them, so you can use them for on your projects. You can put the ones with the eyelets on with like little brads. We have this one here which has kind of like I'm not sure what that looks like. It almost looks like a bit of reed sewed on there. And this is a round one with the eyelets. And then we have these flowers. And just kind of to show you the size because this tag's in the way. But this is also like the white woven paper. And it has the hole in the middle, but these ones just have a little peekaboo hole, but they don't have the eyelets, so you can put those on just with glue. You can put the others on with glue too. They're all like cardboard backed, so you can glue them on, or you could use, with the eyelet ones, you could use a brad. And then these again are the ones that kind of have like the little reed or something in there that's sewn on with white thread. So there are 5 of those. Then we have this needle craft thread called moss, or oh, I bet it's olive moss. And that is a, let's see, it is a tapestry braid, and it is a number 12, and then there's 10 meters on there, so that's kind of a green with little gold or copper type flecks. And then we have this die. You will need a die cutting machine for the die, but it is a like a trophy, and it looks like maybe a little crown or something, maybe a couple stars put together, and then a little single star there. So there's one of those. And then we have this DMC Magic Paper, and what you do with this, it says you cut out your design, then you stick the design to whatever project you want to use it on. You stitch over the design, and then you dissolve the paper with water so that all you have left are your embroidery floss. And it tells you what colors they use with it, but you can do any color you want to. You can use cross stitch. You could just put it on there and embroider because it's going to disappear, but it still gives you a nice shape for that. And in this one, there is the music symbol, and then a couple of music notes and the electric guitar. And then we have this magic paper also, which is the same type thing. And it has 2 outline hearts, a solid heart. It says Paris, and then it has the Eiffel Tower. So that is that one. And then the last one is, we have this one here. And on this one, we have the butterfly, the ladybug, the dragonfly, a couple of beetles, and a little bee. And those are all the same type magic papers. And then we have these cookie and cake stencils. Now this is food safe plastic, so you can use it on cookies or cakes. But if you are going to use it in your crafting, then you keep it in your crafting supplies. Don't cross-contaminate between food, coloring, and paint or dyes. You either use them for one or for the other. You never use them on food after you've put paint or ink on them. So, but it is food safe at the start. And then this is just like the outline of a label. So we have that shape. And then we also have this shape, which is like an outline of a label. And again, that's a cookie and cake stencil. So there's 2 of those. We have the stamp area decorative chips. And so this is like chipboard that you just pop out of this background. It says spring, has a small hummingbird, a large hummingbird, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers. So you just punch those out. You can paint them or put inks on them. Again, it's chipboard. So, and then you can just glue them onto your project. So that's what that looks like. Then we have this Paper Mania Vintage Notes, it says, and they are canvas stickers. So we have this sticker here that says Forever Yours, and then the heart, the green doily. The oval says Sweet Memories, and a ticket kind of that says For You, and then like a pink doily. And then you have all of the little flowers that you can also cut out and put on your projects, and the extra bits of canvas. So whenever you have like some type of sticker material that's different than just plain old plastic or whatever, it's fun to kind of keep those extra bits and use them on your projects. And then the final thing here is we have this adhesive stencils. So that you peel them off the plastic, stick them to your project, stencil through them, and then peel them off of your project, but they hold down nicely. Now, if you're going to use it on paper and you feel it's too sticky, I did get myself a kit like this, but I don't think I've used it yet. I'm not positive. So if you feel it's kind of sticky to stick to paper, put it on your shirt a couple of times, put it on and peel it off to get a little bit of the lint off of your shirt on the back of the stencil. That makes it's still sticky, but not quite so sticky so that it doesn't rip your paper. If you're putting it on glass or something like that, it sticks down really nicely, and you don't have to do that. But if you're going to do something that could rip, just kind of see if you think it's really sticky or not. And if it is, just take a little bit of that stick off. So we have this, and this kit is $20, and that is PayPal, US only, because it's too expensive to ship overseas. And my email will be below. So if you are interested, send me an email, and I will go ahead and let you know if I still have a kit left. I have 5 of these kits today. It's $20, including the shipping. So we've got the stencil and the canvas stickers, the Stamperia chipboards, and then we have the 2 cake decorating stencils from TCW. We have the 3 DMC Magic Papers, the 1 die, again, which you will need a die cutting machine for, the tapestry thread, and then the 5 Fab Scrap embellishments. So again, if you're interested, just send me an email. I do not answer YouTube comments for request to purchase because they don't come in order, and because there are only 5 kits. I have to take I take the emails in order so that I know that if you were the first one to request it, that you will get one. And with YouTube, sometimes the first person that makes a comment, it doesn't come through for a while. So thank you very much for stopping by. I really do appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope that you all have an outstanding day. Bye-bye.